Welcome back to another video. Today I will be showing you how to make easy viral quiz videos.
Brightside is a well-known channel that posts a variety of content, including quizzes. As you can see, it earns between £6.2 thousand to £99.2 thousand monthly with a total of 44.5 million subscribers.
Here is another example of a quiz channel called The Quiz Monster. As you can see, they are also earning a lot of money with fewer subscribers. Want this to be you? Watch our video till the end to find out how to make your own videos. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you how to make quiz videos easily, such as this.
Egypt, Argentina, Turkey, Nigeria,
First, head over to ChatGPT. And ask it to generate 3 columns, with the countries and emojis that will give your viewers hints. If it stops generating, you can ask it to continue. As you can see, it has generated the 2 tables. Then ask ChatGPT to merge the 2 tables so it is easier to work with. Once it is finished, head over to canva.com. This is where we will be making our videos. Select on the video template and you will be taken to a blank canvas. Now select the Elements tab on the left-hand menu and search up for a background. You can choose your preferred one. I will be using this striped background as it looks good. Right-click on the video and select the Set Video as Background option. Now we can add in our text. For this, click on R on your keyboard and edit the shape to your preferred size. I will place mine at the top of the page. Next, you need to have a shape for the number of your questions. For this, select on the Elements tab and choose your preferred shape. I am using a circle. Once you are done, click on the Text tab and add in your question. I will change the color to white. Then add in your number and make it bigger. You can also add a border to the shapes. Now edit everything to your liking. Then add in another shape. This is where the answer to the question will go. Add in the country name and edit it to your liking. Now we will make a timer. For this, add in a rectangle, make it smaller and drag it to where you would like it. Then click on Animate and select on the wipe animation. Here you can also adjust the speed of the animation. This is the final result of the timer. Now we need to make sure the answer appears when the timer stops. For this, right-click and click on Show Timing on the timer, then drag it to where it ends. Then click on the answer and drag it to when the timer finishes. Now we also need to add in the emojis. Group the shape and the country, then duplicate it. After, paste in the emojis from ChatGPT. You can change the animations. For example, I want the answer to have a different animation to the others. Then adjust the timings. You can add in any effects or small details afterwards. Once you are done, we can now easily make multiple pages with different responses. For this, go onto the apps and search for bulk create, then copy the table you got from ChatGPT and paste it in. Then click on Done. For this, right-click on the number, country and emoji and select Connect Data. Once you are done, click on Continue. But if you would like to have audio, for example a timer ticking, then add in the audio. Afterwards, make a copy of the project, remove any text or shapes and make sure you only have the background and download the video. When it is done, go back to the previous project and upload the video you just downloaded. Then add it to the canvas, right-click on it and set it as the background. After, delete the audio. Now you are ready to bulk create. As you can see, the pages have been generated. Now we can add in background music. For this, go to Elements, then Audio and select the music that you want to use. Then adjust the volume. Now you can add a voice every time the answers come. For this, go to flicky.com and copy and paste in the country names. Play them and then download all the audio. Then go back to Canva and upload all the audio. Then you can adjust everything like I have. Now you have made your very first quiz video. Thanks for watching and subscribe.